Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Well, today I'll bring to you 5 delicious and simple ideas on how to elevate the taste of milk. For those that already love milk, you are in luck. For those that find milk to be just plain, you might like these ideas to amp up your milk and drink more milk. By the way, I'm talking about cow's milk. You know, real milk? So I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you these 5 elevated ways to enjoy milk. As a registered dietitian and dairy enthusiast, I love milk and how nutritious it is. Well, it provides 13 essential nutrients with high quality protein. This makes a fantastic choice for hydration and overall health. And the irony of all, I am lactose intolerant. But lucky me, there are lactose-free choices. So lactose-free milk has the same nutrition as regular cow's milk, but without the lactose. So you don't have the maldigestion. So I continue enjoying milk. Love it. Well, are you ready to see? Let's get cooking. The first one, we have the classic homemade chocolate milk. Just add 1 teaspoon of cacao powder and a teaspoon of coconut sugar to 8-ounce dairy milk. Stir it well and you've got a delicious twist on everyone's favorite chocolate milk. This is also a perfect beverage to enjoy post-workout to replenish carbohydrates and repair your muscles. Next, let's go fruity with our strawberry milk. Blend some fresh or frozen strawberries with 8 ounces of dairy milk and add a spoonful of low-sugar vanilla ice cream for a creamy finish. It's perfect for a sunny afternoon and will make you feel like you're enjoying a milkshake. If you're looking to relax, chamomile milk tea is perfect. Just steep some chamomile tea and mix it with warm milk. It's calming and soothing, ideal for winding down your day. It's one of the most popular recipes on my site. Visit my blog, Villacorta.com, and look for chamomile milk tea. And don't forget about golden milk. Simply combine 1 cup of dairy milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger or fresh ginger, 1-2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup to taste. And last but not least, my Latino take, or chata-inspired milk. Mix 8 ounces of dairy milk with a dash of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of coconut sugar, and a few drops of vanilla extract. It's a refreshing take on a traditional favorite. Chata is always such a treat, and I savor every sip. Not only these drinks are delicious and tasteful, but also they are great for hydration, especially during the summertime. And there you have it, 5 tasty, delicious ways to drink milk. You can use them as a refreshment with your meals or as a post-workout drink or at nighttime to soothe yourself before you go to bed. But not only they're tasty, but they are great for hydration, especially during the summer. Now, regarding hydration, milk contains a balance of nutrients and electrolytes that help keep you hydrated better than water alone after a workout. Research even shows that this can be more effective than traditional electrolyte drinks. And remember, you can always find more tips and recipes on my blog, Villacorta.com. And for more information about dairy, visit usdairy.com. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next nutrition topics and recipes. Thank you for watching, and to your health with real milk.